In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix screen flickering or flashing on your Windows. So let's get started. First, we need to open settings. So for that, we have to click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options at the left pane, we just have to simply click on system. Then we can find display is the first option, so we need to click on that. We need to scroll down and we can find advanced display, click on that. Now here we can find the option display adapter properties for display 1, click on that. And this window will appear, so we just have to click on the monitor tab, click on properties. Now we have to click on the driver tab and click on disable device, click on yes, and then wait for some time. Then you have to click on enable device and then click on OK and then close this. And then you will also find from here, choose a refresh rate. Make sure to choose the right refresh rate for you. So you just have to click on this drop down arrow and choose the right refresh rate for you. Then we can also run some commands in the command prompt for the second method. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type cmd. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. And I have some commands right here. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. So we just have to copy it. The first command, Control C, which is prompt. And then right click, copy the second command, Control C to copy, right click, and then for the third command, Control C, right click, and for the last command, Control C, right click, hit enter, and then we need to type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, we have to right click at the start button, and here we have to select device manager. Now here in the device manager window, we just have to simply look for display adapters. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Then you just need to make a right click on it, select update driver, and then browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here, if you have more than one available drivers, you just need to simply choose the second or the third one as to what will work for you. And then you have to click on next. Now Windows will successfully update your drivers. And after that, you need to make a restart of your Windows by right clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And that's it. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.